Good morning, sleepyhead. Morning. I just made some barley tea. This is so peaceful. It really is. I'm glad we could do this. Me too. So good. I think this is it. Perfect.
我喺個瞓啲嘅嗰啲細個，啲個咪緊啦，弟，六個人呢學到把拉天是差得你哋。
Almost ready? Just a second, let me grab the umbrella. It looks like rain later.
Look at all these lanterns. Whoa, it's so beautiful. I'm so glad we came. Look at all of this. Oh, I can't believe we're finally here. Which ride first? Woohoo! Look at the view. We're almost there. This is amazing. I could eat this all night.
Oh.
You should try one of these. They're so good. Maybe later. Look at that Ferris wheel. It smells so good. Yeah, look at that steam. Almost ready, girls. I needed this.
Me too. This sauce is amazing.
And the grandmother's smile makes it even better. I can't believe we found those vintage jackets.
I know. It was such a great idea to come out tonight.
And the pastries are still warm. This is perfect.
Best shopping trip ever.
Okay, home at last. Yeah, that was a long day. Want some tea?
The tea is perfect tonight. Yes, it really is.
난 엄마가 닦겠다마 가보다